opportunity to work with other women that are on the same level, same mindset, to be able to collaborate on new ideas for the next year for our business is undescribable.
The time spent to have some downtime for myself has been amazing because it's allowed me to process the information I've received, strategize with amazing women, and I've got a plan not only for the rest of this year, but I have a complete vision for my 2020.
This trip has been amazing. It's been so good to get to know some of these other women on a much more personal level than I've ever been able to before. It's been so good to feel seen and recognized in this business for everything that I've worked for.
Now you think about it, we have 3 families that got blended. 3 unique families. And we need to own the uniqueness. We need to own that we all have different desires, different wants. But I think the coolest thing is that we all have one thing in common, is that we have this thing that's love.
Every single woman here deserves to know that they're important, they're needed, they're wanted, and I cannot wait to see how your new year begins. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Thank you for being here.